So now I am going to do the problem related to income and expenditure and balance sheet. Okay, so question you have to look up. So if you want to turn on your video, Irfan Basil. Following is the receipt and payment account of Women's Welfare Club for the year ended 31st December 2017. Payment side and receipt side. Okay. Payment side, salary, stationery, electric charges, insurance, equipment, equipment assets, petty expenses, expense on charity show, newspaper, lecture fees, honorarium to secretary, balance sheet. Receipt side, subscriptions, donations. Okay, now subscriptions, donations, government grant, sale of newspaper, proceeds of charity show, interest on investment, same like last question. Here, interest on investment 10% for full year, 7,000. Sundries income. Now, additional information, opening and closing is given, outstanding salary, insurance prepaid, subscription outstanding, subscription received in advance, electric charges outstanding, stock of stationery, equipment asset opening and closing is given. So there will be an amount of depreciation. Next building opening and closing is given. So there will be an amount of depreciation. Okay. So this is the question. So we will do the problem. So for that, you have to look additional information. Okay. Additional information, outstanding salary, insurance, related to insurance adjustment is there, related to salary adjustment is there, subscription, both outstanding also received in advance also there. Then for electricity charges, outstanding is there, stock of stationery is there. Okay, these are the adjustment. So already you know, outstanding salary means end add opening lesson. Prepaid insurance, you know that prepaid insurance, what we are doing in the last year, and if adjustment it is given, what we are doing, add or lesser, and Karthik, prepaid insurance.
Less.
Yes, correct. Lesser. So end lesser, opening add. So same like received in advance. Opening add, closing lesser. Next, stock of stationery we know. Opening stock of stationery. With the stationery, what we have to do? Add or less, Anjo. Opening stock of stationery.
Add.
Add. Yes. Closing stock of stationery. Less. Okay, we'll do the problem. Income and expenditure accounts. Income and expenditure account. For the year ended. For the year ended. 31st December 2017. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st December 2017. So first item, salary. To salary, 12,500. So here they given adjustments. Outstanding salary is given. Outstanding salary. So end add, we add outstanding salary at the end. $1,800. Thus, outstanding salary at the beginning. So for every item that is adjustment 1,200. Next, stationery. To stationery, for stationery also adjustment it is there. Opening stock also, closing gold stock also there. So add opening stock 2,250 less closing stock. Closing stock less closing stock 700. Okay. Salary also adjustment is there. Stationery also adjustment is there. Next one, electricity charges. For that also adjustment it is there. Next, electricity charges. To electricity charges. To electricity charges 9,550. Add outstanding electricity charge at the end. Outstanding electricity charges at the end. 1,250. So here, outstanding electricity charge at the beginning it is not given. Okay, at the beginning it is not given. So okay, beginning it is not given. Next one. Next, insurance. So insurance also adjustment it is there. So insurance 7,500. Add prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance at the beginning. At the beginning of the period. Prepaid insurance 700. Less prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance at the end. Prepaid insurance at the end. 300. Next, petty expenses. No other adjustment. Petty, small expenses. Petty expenses 500. Next, expense on charity show. Expense on charity show. If you write a profit from receipt side of profit on charity show, if you are writing the difference amount also correct. Otherwise, you can write to expense on charity show. 12,900. Now, newspaper. Newspaper, no adjustment, 1000. Next one, lectures fees. Lectures fees, no adjustment. Next one, honorary secretary. Honorarium to secretary. 12,000, no adjustment. Now, receipt side. Receipt side, first item by subscription. Lot of adjustment is there. Outstanding also there. Received in advance also there. By subscription. By subscription received. By subscription received, 81,750. Add outstanding subscription at the end. Outstanding subscription at the end. Then add subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance at the beginning. So lesser opposite, outstanding subscription at the beginning, less subscription received in advance at the end. Okay, here both are given. Outstanding subscription end 2,500. Subscriptions advance opening 1,750. Outstanding subscription in the beginning. Subscription advance at the end. $81,250. Now, okay, here subscription outstanding also given, received in advance also given. So outstanding means we know that end and opening lesson. Received in advance, if anything is there, opening and closing lesson. Now, next item. Now, next item, donations. Nothing it is specified, so income. By donation, 3,000. Next one, by grant from government. By grant from government. By grant from government, 15,000. Next, sale of newspapers. By sale of newspaper, 300. Next, proceeds of charity show. by proceeds of charity show. 16,500. Next, interest on investment. By interest on investment. If it is the given percentage, you have to look at any investment in the additional information. No. So same like the last question. So we have to calculate which one? Investment. How to calculate? 7,000 is the interest. This is 10% into 100. Okay, so 70,000, 70,000. Okay. So next, by sundries income, by sundries income, by sundries income, 400. Now, now any other item? Karthik?
Depreciation.
Yes. Equipment and building, opening and closing, it is given. So you have to calculate depreciation. So first you have to look opening amount, equipment, 25,600. Now you have to look at in the payment side any equipment that is purchased. Yes, 30,000. Now you have to look at in the receipt side any sale of equipment. Sale of equipment. No. Okay. So 55,600 is the value. Now you have to look at closing amount. 50,200. So this difference that will be depreciation. Clear, Shubham? Asset opening and closing it is given. First you have to look opening 25,600. Then you have to look at payment side any equipment. Yes, that is purchase plus. So 55,600. Sale it is not there. So that and closing amount you have to compare. That will be the depreciation on equipment. So to depreciation on equipment. 5,400. Next one. Depreciation on building. To depreciation on building. Depreciation on building. So you have to look at the opening amount 1,20,000. Then you have to look at payment side any building. No. Receipt side any sale of building. No. Now you have to compare with the closing amount. The difference amount that will be the amount of depreciation. So to depreciation on building 6,000. Okay, over. So now you have to calculate surplus or deficit. No. Income side is more. One lakh 23,000 for 50. 1,23,000 for 50. Shubham also correct. 1,23,000 for 50 to surplus. Excess of income over expenditure. Surplus.
34,100.
Yes. 34,100. Okay. Now we will prepare opening balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. 1st January 2017. Balance sheet as on balance sheet as on 1st January 2017. know that first item, cash in hand. Cash in hand. Cash in hand, 27,050. Sorry, 7,250. 7,250. 7,250. Then you have to write investment. Otherwise, you will forget investment. 7,000 divided by 10 into 100. So 70,000 is the investment. Okay. So here interest on investment percentage it is given in the receipts and payment statement. Receipt side. So you have to write investment. In the additional information investment it is not given. That's right. So next one, we have to look in the receipt and payment account no item. Now additional information, full opening you will write. Outstanding salary, asset or liability, Shubham Pal. Outstanding salary, asset or liability. Liability. Outstanding salary, only opening amount. 1,200. Pavitra, prepaid insurance, asset or liability. Insurance prepaid. Asset or liability. Pavitra.
Asset.
Yes, prepaid insurance. Sharath, outstanding subscription, asset or liability?
Asset.
Yes, very good. Whatever you are telling, that's only. Sharath, outstanding salary. Sorry, outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription opening amount 3,750. Next, Femina, subscription received in advance, asset or liability?
Liability.
Yes, subscription received in advance. Subscriptions in advance, 1,750. Next, electric charges outstanding, it is not given, so no need to write. Okay, opening it is not given, or it is given means liability. Next, stock of stationery. Stock of stationery, Anila, asset or liability? Yes, stock of stationery, asset. Stock of stationery, 2,250. Next, equipment. I need to ask, you know that asset equipment, 25,600. Then building, 1,20,000. So difference amount will be capital one. Assets a total.
2,29,550.
Yes, 2,29,550. Capital funds. Capital fund.
2,26,600.
Yes, 2,26,600. Okay, so now our balance sheet, opening balance sheet is over. Now we will do the closing balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. Balance sheet as on. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. So on the basis of opening balance sheet, first cash in hand. Cash in hand. Closing amount you have to look. 27,050. 27,050. Next one, investment. No adjustment. Investment, no change. Same amount, 70,000. Here, no accrued, nothing it is there. Okay, everything we got. Next one, prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance. Now we have to write the closing amount, 300. Next, outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Closing amount, we had, right? Closing amount. Next one, stock of stationery. Stock of stationery. Stock of stationery. Closing amount. Next one, equipment. So you can write the closing amount directly. Okay. So if you don't know the calculation, otherwise, equipment 25,600. Add purchase. Add purchase 30,000. Less, sorry, less, yes, less depreciation. Less depreciation. We wrote in the expenditure side. So outer column will be the same amount, 50,200. Suppose if you write equipment directly 50,200, that's a, okay. Next one, building. Building 1,20,000. No purchase, no sale. So this will be less depreciation. We wrote in the expenditure side 6,000. So outer column, the same amount, 1,14,000. Okay. So closing amount, it will come. Equipment, payment side purchase is there, add purchase, and less depreciation. Next one, building, that we wrote. Liability side, outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary, closing amount 1,800. Outstanding salary, closing amount 1,800. Next one, subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. So closing 1,000. Next, it is given capital fund. ₹2,26,600. 2,26,600. Add surplus. Add surplus 54,100. $2,60,700. Now you have to look at payment side, any other item. Salary, stationery, electric charges, insurance, equipment, petty, expense on charity, newspaper, legacy, no, sorry, fee, honorarium, balance area, no. Next, receipt side, subscription, donation, government grant, side of newspaper, closing charge, interest on investment, something, no. Now, additional information, outstanding salary we wrote, insurance, prepaid we wrote, subscription outstanding wrote, subscriptions in advance wrote, electric charges outstanding. So, electric charges outstanding. That you have to understand. Outstanding electric charges. Closing. Now, stock station, okay, equipment building. Over. So, we don't turn on your video, Tomlin and Aditya Hanna.
$2,64,750.
Okay. $2,64,750. $2,64,750. So now we will do 16th one. Okay, 16th question, just you have to look. Payment side, charity, rent and tax, salary, printing, postage, advertising, insurance, furniture asset, investment asset, closing cash in hand, cash at bank, receipt side opening cash in hand, cash at bank, donation, subscription, legacies, liability, interest on investment, sale of newspaper. Then adjustment they given, it was decided to treat 1/3 of the amount received on account of donation as income. Means donation 1/3. Donation amount means 9,000 into 1/3. Okay, so 3,000 it will be income side.
7 minutes.
Yes. 3,000. It was decided to treat 1/3 of the amount received on account of donation as income. So 1/3 income, then 1/3, then remaining 2/3 will be liability. Then insurance was paid in advance for 3 months. Okay, 3 month insurance prepaid was there in the insurance. So interest on investment accrued income, then rent, salary, advertisement outstanding. So these are the adjustment. Okay, so that we will do in the next class. Okay, attend the class. Okay, Shubham, 16th one, question number. Okay, thank you.